Hi viewers, hope you are doing well. On behalf of KSK, I wish a very happy Labour's Day to all the workers around the world. They are true heroes and wheel of every nation through which economy of every nation develops. Further, I would like to thank all the frontline heroes like health workers, defense and warriors who are helping us fight against this COVID-19 pandemic. I am Ragini Sharma, Associate from KSK Delhi, hereby presents General Counsel and Head of Legal Fraternity who will share their noble views on what impact of COVID-19 will be on legal industry and why this time is an opportunity for all of us, including lawyers, in-house counsel, law students and paralegal. Let's watch out.
Hello everyone, happy Labor Day to you all. First of all, a big thanks to Raj and the KSK team for putting this all together. My name is Anup Singh Juneja. I work with Jindal Steel and Power as Vice President and Group Company Secretary. These are tough times, challenging times for all of us. However, I would like to congratulate all of us as members of the Legal and Compliance Fraternity because we've had much a greater role to play in these times than usual in terms of helping our clients or organizations to interpret the various guidelines that have come out, the relaxations that have been given by the government on many counts. A message to the young professionals who are starting out in the legal professionals. I think all of us by now have adapted to the new ways of working, using technology to operate pretty much like normal, maybe more than that from homes. I think in the middle of everything, I think it's important to take care of our physical and mental well-being. Also to reduce our screen time to the extent we can, and maybe devote some time to our hobbies or our interests that we can. I think that's something which will help us balance it out. And last of all, I think I'd say that it's very important to remain positive. There's a lot of negative news hitting us from all quarters. So to maintain positivity and to have belief that we'll of course come out of this situation quite soon actually.
Hello folks, I'm Anil PM. I'm the EVP Legal and Chief Compliance Officer with Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company Limited. At the outset, let me wish you all a happy Labour's Day. Many of us are struggling to maintain our sanity, let alone be happy given the trying circumstances. It is our family and our work for those who can work from home, which is holding us together. These are unprecedented times calling for out-of-the-box thinking, be it in our work or our personal lives. The context of work, if I were to take the example of the life insurance sector, the sector that I work in, face-to-face selling is the norm, not happening currently. I am, like the most of you, advising on the legality of new processes being adopted by businesses to deal with the current environment. Contacting customer over video calls, getting OTP to replace wet signatures, online servicing vis-a-vis branch walk-ins, some of the issues I'm dealing with. Out-of-the-box thinking is also happening in our personal lives. How to make sure essentials are available. How to make sure we get the necessary exercise. People used to the gym are lifting buckets, running marathons on balconies, etc. Our entire life is currently an improvisation, if I may call it that. While chaos reigns, there are also the silver linings. You now get to spend more time with family, no more boring commutes, no more 4 a.m. flights, and best of all, the free Zoom seminars by judges and senior counsels who charge $1 million. All of this for free. Make the most of it.
Viparna, Head Legal Regional Locations for MR India. How COVID-19 is going to impact the legal industry? I think it's going to turbocharge the legal industry, and digitization, which is considered until now a C-suite priority, even in our industry, is going to come somewhere on A and B. Courts we've already seen. Now they're hearing the matters of certain urgent matters through video conferencing, but I think in the long run we can see a lot of adoption of the digitization measures in the court-related hearings and matters as well. And it's definitely going to affect every domain of a legal industry, whether we are running a law firm or we are working as an in-house counsel in a company. Now is the time not to just sit, but to analyze, to keep ourselves abreast and updated of what's going on. As a legal professional, we can offer very meaningful advices to our clients, our customers, even in the company, because a lot of operational modalities, the way we deal with the customers, how our clauses and our contracts would be is going to have a change. It's definitely going to have a change. And if we have analyzed ourselves, we are updated with exactly what's going on, with a little bit of business knowledge, we can offer real meaningful solutions and advices to the company and create a valuable impact to whatever area we are, whether we are running a law firm or a company.
Dear friends, happy Labour's Day. I hope you all are safe. I am Preeti Vadhavan and work with Springer Nature Group as Director Legal and Compliance. In my view, COVID-19 is slowly reshaping the landscape of legal industry. The industry is moving into a digital age where all lawyers, be it in-house counsels, practicing lawyers, are providing services through the digital means, sitting out of their homes. If we talk about the judicial system, change is evident, with courts now hearing the matters through video conferencing. I think all these changes will become a new normal in the near future. I am very confident that these changes will be benefiting the legal professionals as they will have greater flexibility to work and can utilize their time more productively rather than spending time commuting, which was something we were doing very recently. A lawyer needs to stay relevant and up to date, so I would recommend that utilize this time to upgrade your skills. There are plethora of webinars happening on diverse areas of law. Attend them to enhance your knowledge. Read new law, which was in your wish list until some time and you never had time to read that. Thank you and be safe.
Hi, happy Labour's Day to all of the viewers here. My name is K. Satish Kumar. I am the General Counsel of Ramco Systems Limited. We are a product-based company headquartered in Chennai, and we are present across the globe. So we have seen COVID lockdown in 2 phases, and the second phase is hopefully going to end on 3rd of May. And in various stages, maybe we are going to open up from 4th of May. The COVID situation has made a lot of impact on the legal industry and in particular to the legal team. And I will say that it has both the productivity has of course increased. I will certainly say that the productivity has increased working from remotely or working from home. And the only problem that we say is we don't have a direct connect or a direct physical meeting with the team or the business team, with the legal team or the business team. But we do have now various online media like Microsoft Teams or Skype, where we can see people and conduct meeting. So maybe that may hence I will say that working from home is not a big handicap. It has been a boon, and we save at least in travel and commuting time. The main problem that we face is accessing the organization data which is stored in the organization servers. But we have various modes of accessing the data. So we welcome working from remote, and it has a positive impact on working on the COVID has a positive impact on the legal team in the sense that we are able to manage the workload in a better way working remotely. Thank you and all the best to all of you. Happy Labour's Day once again. Be safe, be indoors.
Hello everyone, my name is Sampha Tiwari and I manage the legal affairs for Renault India Private Limited. Today is not just another day, but a very important day. A day that reminds us of the contribution and sacrifices made by the workers all across the world. And this becomes very important given the difficult times that the world is going through. COVID-19 is a massive disruption. It's going to be a game changer. And like always, the lawyers are going to be at the axis of it. With the courts opting to have hearing through video conferences and the industry choosing to work from home, we will wake up to a different reality. Like always, the challenges are ahead of us, but we lawyers are known to make the best of it. We have the opportunity to evolve, grow, transform, and help the economy with our learnings to transform and wake up to a new reality.
Happy Labour Day. My name is Partha Bhattacharya. I am Litigation Head of India Infoline Housing Finance Limited. We all have been witnessing something unprecedented impact on our society as well as our economy due to COVID-19. None would have ever imagined how that we will have to confine ourselves within 4 walls for weeks. Of course, there are huge negative impacts of this pandemic, which can neither be ignored nor be overlooked. We cannot pretend that life would be same again if we allowed to resume our daily lives in coming days. In this changing scenario, I am trying to see positive impact. It would probably be specifically in our professional life. Presently, various high courts and Supreme Court are taking e-filing, and they are conducting hearing over VC. This means we are stepping towards our automation, and automation means reduce the carbon footprint, and it's very much important to stay healthy in coming days. From my point of view, I think we should stick on it, and we should encourage e-filing as well as arguing over VC in coming days.
This is Shweta Sharma. I am head legal for CK Birla Hospitals. So during this lockdown period, what in-house counsels and lawyers can do? In my view, the best utilization of time of this lockdown period would be that we can brush up our own professional skills. There are so many courses which are available online, and some of them has been made free during this lockdown period. We can look into that what interests us, and we can always do those courses. That will definitely help us. Also, we can look into our SOPs and internal processes, which are, they are for since ages, and we did not get time to revamp them or relook them. So I guess this is the time we can work on those standard operating procedures and other processes. Also, I guess this is the right time to think and jot down that what all internal trainings are required, whether this is for your team or this is for your major stakeholders. So those trainings we can work upon, those training, legal training materials, PPTs and all, so that once this lockdown is over and life is back to normal, we can use those training materials and we don't waste our time to prepare them. So yeah, I guess these are the basic things we can do during this lockdown. So thank you everyone and stay safe.
Hi everyone, happy Labour Day to all of you, and I would like to take this opportunity to recognize the commendable work done by all working men and women, especially our health workers, doctors and sanitation workers in these difficult times. I am Nitin Mittal, General Counsel for Signify South Asia and Australia. Earlier we were known as Philips Lighting. We are the largest lighting company in the world. These are times which are unprecedented. There is also adversity, but there is also opportunity to learn, unlearn, relearn new things, especially in digital area. While I'm mostly busy in office work during the day, but I regularly take up time to learn new things in areas of law where I usually work and advise my company. I'm also interested in constitutional law and criminal jurisprudence, which I regularly read whenever I get the time during these lockdowns. It is important for all of us to continuously seek areas where we can learn in these times. The world will change and it will not be the same as it is now. Things we took for granted will change. For example, a lot of things will turn into digital, whether it is court hearings, whether it is dispute resolution matters, whether it is meetings, whether it is travel, which we find now on hindsight totally unnecessary.
Guys, I'm sure you must have valued the messages of our legends and try to implement the thought process. not only during this crisis but on the later stage of your career. I must say thanks to all these star speakers for taking out this precious time and giving us an opportunity to spread their message to all our distinguished viewers. Before we end, I would like to thank my partner, Mr. Radhev Singh, and my colleagues Shushti and Pathik, and all my teammates to make this video a success. Stay safe. Thanks a million for watching us.